Hello friends, Running Kimono here. We are looking at the best curbside deals for the week of the 29th of March right till April the 4th. What is curbside? You're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, paying for it, and then driving to the store and picking it up. You're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check. It's as easy as that. Alternatively, if you're the kind of shopper that wants to be in-store specifically, I will link yesterday's video. Remember, register rewards are in-store only. But with a lot of these P&G deals, it's just easier to do it curbside for many reasons. If you guys could do me a huge kindness before we dive into the deals, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Really helps out me and the channel if you can like the video. Now, yesterday when I was messing around on the website, I noticed this was at the very tippy top. If you did not get the booster, maybe there's a way to load this, the 10 back when you spend 40, because it seems like they're trying to give it universally to everybody. So I would check maybe on a desktop computer, maybe there's a way to load it, because it appeared at the very top of my website even before I logged into my Walgreens account. So maybe worth double, triple checking on your end. Okay, let's start with deal number one, and you're going to need your two best friends loaded, the 10 back when you spend 40 and the 15 back when you spend 45. After all discount codes, you have to be at $45, and I will show you that in excruciating specific details here in a quick second. So for this first deal, we're going to be getting a lot of Mach 3 razors. Now, my understanding is the 12 off of 2 is a store coupon, so it's applying to the following 2 that I'm buying, and then the 6 off of 1 is a manufacturer. Load what you have and really look at the math to make sure you're not as off by even a penny, because they're very strict with the spend 45 to earn back 15 on P&G stuff. And then we have a 20 off, and again, that 12 off of 2 is there. And this is the $36.99 Gillette Mach 3 refill. So a lot of refills by that company. I actually have a friend that only uses that razor, so I definitely did this deal. I thought it was really worth it, and why not? So just to show you the chorus line we have working here, because this is a lot of razors and magic. We have 20 off of 1 coming off for Gillette, and then we have the 6 off of 1, which is 12, and then 480 coming off with Save 20. If you can't use that one, try Egg 20, and then an additional $6 off. So that is a massive chorus line, and this is extreme couponing. Let's be honest, guys. So the overall total is $61.98, subtracting $16.80. You are at $45.18. So for the spend 45 to earn back 15, you are there. $26 in manufacturers melting off with your tax. You're going to pay $21.89 with your debit card, as you have 2 different spend boosters, and then you're getting back $25.61, making this like a 4-ish money maker, factoring in the tax. It's fantastic if you use these razors. What a deal. Hey guys, so after I put together the video, guess what? IBOTTA dropped this, and yes, it's valid at Walgreens. Now, I have it in my account. My friend that lives an hour away, she doesn't have it in hers, but it's worth checking out. It's an additional $5. So this is almost an $8 money maker now, any way you slice the pie. If you have not signed up for IBOTTA, today's the day you should. Check out the link in the notes. When you use my referral code, you're given an additional $5 when you submit your first qualifying receipt. Okay, so deal number 2, we're going to load the following boosters. The 10 back when you spend 40, the 5 back when you buy 3 P&G bath care items. That is a new one, and we love it. And the final one, the spend 45 to earn back 15 on P&G items. I throw in 2 of these OLAY completes, and there is a 5 off of 2 manufacturer coupon. When you go to pick up your order at the store, please ask the cashier to process it through a regular register so you get a physical receipt. Very important, because IBOTTA is giving you back $7 for the 2. Double, triple check on Monday morning or whenever you're going to do this deal that this IBOTTA rebate is in fact there as well. But that is $7, and that is really awesome that you're going to be getting that back, and we're very happy about that. And then we're going to throw in 3 body washes for $24, and we have a 7 off of 3 digital coupon, load that. And if you remember at the front of the video, I'm like 5 back when you buy 3 body wash, blah, blah, blah. This is part of it. So that's fantastic. And it's also stacking with the spend 45 to earn back 15. So that's why we're throwing in 3 of those. And then just to show you our gorgeous chorus line, the 7 off 3 for the body wash, WAG 10. We went a little lower because the basket was a lot smaller. And then the 5 off of 2 for the OLAY skincare. Okay guys, and just to show you, we are at $47.98. And then we are subtracting $1.90. So we are at $46.08. So you're there for the spend 45 to earn back 15. $12 in manufacturers melting off, and then you're getting back $30 plus the 7 back from IBOTTA. It basically makes your basket free, which is really fantastic and what we strive for. And make sure you get that physical receipt so you could submit to IBOTTA. And remember, do not use Walgreens cash, pay with your debit card. Okay, now we're looking at deal number 3. We need the following boosters loaded. Our best friend, the 15 back when you spend 45. I always love this P&G week. It's just so fantastic. It puts me in a great mood whenever this shows up. And then the 10 back when you spend 40. And I hope that everybody can load this even if you go to a desktop computer, because I saw it loafing around at the top of the website. We're going to grab one of these $34.99 Olay. It's the fancy super serum. And we have an $8 manufacturer that's attaching. That might be an only for you coupon. I'm not sure, but it's a manufacturer. Over on IBOTTA, you're getting $7 back on this product with a limit of 1 time. So when you go pick this up, you have to ask the cashier to process it through a register so you get the physical receipt. Really important. 2 of these little friends. And then remember, we have that 5 off 2 coupon that you're going to load. You're going to get $7 back from IBOTTA. So with the 2, that's actually $14 you're getting back from IBOTTA. So that is really fantastic. The last item we're going to get is one of these Tide Pods for $5.49. Whatever cheapy product you want with a $1 digital coupon attaching. And then just to show you guys on Olay, that 8 off of 1, save 20, taking 10 off, $1 for the Tide Pods, and then the 5 off of 2 for those little Olays. The overall total is $64.46, subtracting 10, so we are at $54.36. We have $14 in manufacturers. So with the tax, pay $43.62 with your debit card. You are getting back $25 in Walgreens cash, $14 back from IBOTTA. It's like $1.36 for all of these items that include Tide Pods, those 2 fun skincares by Olay, and a super serum. This is a really good deal. Deal that we're looking at is deal number 4, and we have this friend loaded again, the 15 back when you spend 45. And I've heard from a couple other content makers that the in-store one, it's really having issues scanning and stuff for that paper one when you spend 35 or whatever. So I think it's better to do it curbside. This friend too, if you might have it, so load those 2, working in concert again. This one, we're really going to go heavy-handed with the Tide Liquid and Tide Pods. So we're going to grab one of these friends for $12.99. There's a $3 digital attaching. There's also the more expensive or the larger quantity of the Tide Pods. And we have another $3 coupon attaching. So they're 2 separate coupons. I think the Gain and the Downy that are like $12.99, $15.99, they also have coupons attaching. So if you don't like what I'm grabbing, just start mixing and matching other items. And then we're going to throw in this really large Tide for $15.99 and then one of the smaller pods. And I also know that the Tide Free and Clear, so that white one for people with like really sensitive skin, for whatever stupid reason in store, it never prints out that 10 back when you spend 35, that paper booster, which is super annoying. But online you can get it, which is always a little bit more advantageous. So just to show you guys, using the code EGG20, you have $9.20 melting off, and then we have $12 in manufacturers right there. The overall total is $57.96, subtracting $9.20. You are at $48.76. So for the spend 45 to earn back 15, you're there. We also have $12 melting off. So with tax, it's $39.69. You're getting back $25. I don't think this is a bad deal. It makes them both like, they make them like $2.50 each. If you really wanted to stock up on this meat and potatoes, it's a really good deal. That's it for this video. Yesterday's video is linked right here. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.